Hello, welcome to Woodland Hills. We are sitting here on the world-famous Ventura Boulevard. I figured I'd start this video off on Ventura Boulevard because it's probably a very famous street in the sense of you've probably heard it in movies or mentioned in songs. Ventura Boulevard stretches the entire San Fernando Valley, which Woodland Hills is located on the southwest corner of the San Fernando Valley. It's in the southwest corner of the valley, and the 101 freeway, which you can also see behind me, stretches along that southernmost part of the valley. Ventura Boulevard also follows the 101 as well. And you'll find all sorts of shops here on Ventura Boulevard. Just a little shot of it. There's all sorts of businesses lined up and down Ventura Boulevard, very busy. Every store imaginable you can find this. Grocery shopping, restaurants, movies. And again, if you want to jump on the freeway, right there is the access. The property values do go up on the south of the boulevard, as they say here. And property values do increase considerably from that median price of about 1.5 all the way to 4.5. And like I said, we're going to take you over in this video to one of the most highest priced new construction homes in Woodland Hills. And from here, we're gonna actually head over to the lowest price, which is about the 800 range, 1.5 being the median. The average rent here in Woodland Hills is about $6,300 a month, and prices overall have 53% of the homes have had their price decreased. We have approximately 100 homes on the market, and we sell about 25 to 30 per month. So you're seeing that's about a 4-month supply. So not quite a balanced market, but pretty close. Balanced market is between 4 and 6 months. And so, you know, we do these videos so that if you ever decide to move to Woodland Hills, at the Poliseno real estate team, we service the entire Los Angeles County, Orange County, and Ventura County. And so if you're moving to any one of the cities in Los Angeles, Orange County, or Ventura County in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, give us a call, shoot us an email, comment below. We'd love to help you. We do these videos so that you can come experience Woodland Hills without actually having to come. So let's take you over to the first listing on the northwest corner of the valley on Victory Boulevard on Stiles Avenue. We'll take you there now. So hello, we're standing out now in front of 23130 Victory Boulevard. And this is priced at $800,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,276 square feet. And its dollar per square foot is around the $633 per square foot. So a little bit priced on the high side in my opinion. It's been on the market 15 days. You can see it is on a very busy street. That's why a lot of these homes do have parking, unlimited parking pretty much in the front of the house, as well as, you know, some have a driveway like this one does here. The house is set kind of back. Again, we are on the northwest corner of the valley. And as you can see on the map here in this video where I share with you the different places, locations of these listings that I'm sharing with you on the channel. You know, Woodland Hills is a very large section. It probably makes up about maybe 15 to 20% of the valley on the west side of the 405. So again, we'll share some pictures here of this listing, and we will see you at the next one. So we're standing in front of Topanga Village, and amazing, lots of shops you can see here behind me. We're sitting here on Topanga Boulevard in Woodland Hills, and there's great restaurants, lots of shopping, high-end shops, lower-end shops, ice cream, candy, anything that you want. Seafood, great seafood here at the Topanga Village. and it's a great place to come in the evening. It's all lit up, and in the summertime, it's a great place as well, as there's lots of folks milling around, eating food, and they have valet parking. And right behind me here, you can see the Q, which is a brand new apartment building complex, high-end apartments with luxury conference rooms, a theater, and you know, great ambiance in that property as well. And we're gonna drive through some of the neighborhoods here and see what it's like to live in Woodland Hills. So we're in front of 5107 DUMONT Street in Woodland Hills. It is a 2,800 square foot priced at $1.599. It's been on the market 175 days. You can see behind me is a little bit of a fixer. The neighborhood is very quiet. We are south of the boulevard, Ventura Boulevard, and that means that you find bigger lots. Like this one here is 18,100 square feet, the lot size. But as you can see behind me, there is a hill behind there. So a lot of that is hillside, and that's what happens when you buy a home here in the canyon area, up against the canyon or the hill. You're going to get a lot of hillside properties that appear to have a very large square footage of their lot size, but really don't. This one is priced at $555 a square foot. For Woodland Hills is fairly average. You know, the mean price here is $1.59, so this is kind of right here in the middle, and that's why I picked this property to let you know. You can see what the street looks like here. You know, a lot of custom homes. This one here is a 2-story home. You can see behind me the street there. And we're gonna go ahead and take a drive around the neighborhood and let you see what it looks like, and we'll show you some pictures of the inside. We're here at 20127 Chapter Drive in Woodland Hills. This is the second highest priced listing in all of Woodland Hills, priced at $4.5 million. It is a brand new build, built here in 2022, 5,800 square feet, sitting on a 40,000 square foot lot. Now you do see that there is hillside behind, but as I'll show you in the video, you do have a very large backyard and even room to expand it if you'd like. It is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, at 786 per square feet, which is, as I told you, 555 square feet is median square footage for Woodland Hills. You can already see walking in here, we've got some great custom architecture, nice wrought iron black railing, big open driveway. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the inside, and I can already tell you it's got some great lines and great modern architecture. Very large bedrooms, just amazing that the designer here took in consideration the fact that this is a secondary bedroom, not your master bedroom, but a very large, spacious bedroom. Standing here in the master bathroom, you can just tell, great, huge soaking tub. These are some of the features with the European style glass that a lot of people like today. Check out this master window. The largest window you've ever seen in your master bedroom, overlooking an amazing pool. Check it out. Great property for entertaining. You can see here a large family room here on top of a secondary family room, and we'll take a walk over here and see you've got another family room that opens up to the kitchen and an amazing pass-through fireplace here. Amazing backyard here, pool, plenty of room for the kids to play, and a sport court, whatever you'd like to do. 40,000 square foot lot, so plenty of space here. Brand new construction, like I said. There's also another brand new construction built by the same builder behind me, this one being very modern, and this one being a contemporary or colonial, I guess you'd call it. And it is a very quiet street. All the homes on this street have huge lots. They're probably all over 5,000 square feet on this street here on Chapter Drive in Woodland Hills, which again is south of the boulevard, and we're up in the hills. We're almost, you can see behind me, we're up in the hills. This is a dead-end street up here, so you don't get a lot of traffic. Only the people that live up here are going to be driving up here. This area, this pocket of Woodland Hills is on the higher price of Woodland Hills as a whole. So that wraps our video today of the Woodland Hills area. Send us a comment below if you'd like to see any other areas. Our team services Orange County, Ventura County, and all of LA County. So if there's any videos you'd like to see, put it in the comment below. Make sure you click the subscribe button over here in the corner. That way you'll get notified about any other videos that we drop. We're gonna be doing more of these location-based videos here in the future. And here at the Poliseno Real Estate Team, thank you for spending some time with us. We will see you on the next video. And if you're looking to move in the next 9 days or 90 days, please give us a call. Talk to you soon.